Welcome. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of biomaterials. But what exactly are biomaterials? In simple terms, biomaterials are substances that have been engineered to interact with biological systems for a medical purpose, either a therapeutic or a diagnostic one. These materials can be natural or synthetic and are designed to support, enhance, or replace damaged tissues or organs. As technology advances, the field of biomaterials continues to grow, offering new solutions for healthcare challenges. Let's explore how these materials are changing lives and shaping the future of medicine. Use of biomaterials dates back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations used materials like gold and ivory for dental implants and bone repairs. However, the modern era of biomaterials began in the 20th century, with the development of synthetic polymers and metals for medical use. Over time, advances in chemistry, biology, and engineering have led to the creation of more sophisticated and biocompatible materials. Today, biomaterials are at the forefront of medical innovation, helping millions of people lead healthier lives. Biomaterials can be broadly categorized into natural and synthetic types. Natural biomaterials include substances like collagen, silk, and chitosan, which are derived from living organisms. Synthetic biomaterials, on the other hand, are man-made and include metals, ceramics, and polymers. Each type has its own advantages and limitations. Natural materials often integrate well with the body, while synthetic materials can be engineered for specific properties. The choice depends on the application and the desired outcome. For a material to be considered a biomaterial, it must possess certain key properties. Biocompatibility is crucial. It must not cause an adverse reaction in the body. Mechanical strength is also important, especially for load-bearing applications like bone replacements. Other properties include durability, flexibility, and the ability to promote healing. Scientists carefully evaluate these characteristics when designing new biomaterials to ensure they are safe and effective for medical use. Biocompatibility is one of the most important aspects of biomaterials. It refers to the ability of a material to perform its desired function without eliciting any undesirable local or systemic effects in the recipient. This means the material should not cause inflammation, toxicity, or rejection by the body. Achieving high biocompatibility often requires careful selection of materials and surface modifications to minimize immune responses and promote integration with surrounding tissues. There are several types of biomaterials commonly used in medicine today. Metals like titanium and stainless steel are popular for implants due to their strength and resistance to corrosion. Ceramics such as alumina and zirconia are used in dental and bone applications because of their hardness and wear resistance. Polymers, both natural and synthetic, are widely used for sutures, drug delivery systems, and tissue engineering scaffolds. Each material is chosen based on the specific needs of the application. Metals are widely used in biomaterials, especially for orthopedic and dental implants. Titanium is a favorite because it is strong, lightweight, and highly resistant to corrosion. Stainless steel is also used for its durability and affordability. These metals are often coated or treated to improve their integration with bone and reduce the risk of rejection. The use of metals has revolutionized joint replacements, bone plates, and dental prosthetics, greatly improving patient outcome. Ceramics are another important class of biomaterials. They are known for their hardness and resistance to wear, making them ideal for dental crowns, bone grafts, and hip replacements. Ceramics like alumina and zirconia are biocompatible and can be engineered to mimic the properties of natural bone. However, they can be brittle, so their use is carefully considered based on the mechanical demands of the application. Polymers, both natural and synthetic, are incredibly versatile biomaterials. They can be designed to be flexible, biodegradable, or even mimic the properties of natural tissues. Common examples include polyethylene for joint replacements, polylactic acid for sutures, and hydrogels for wound dressings. Polymers are also used in drug delivery systems, allowing for controlled release of medications. Their adaptability makes them a cornerstone of modern biomaterials science. Natural biomaterials are derived from living sources and often have excellent biocompatibility. Examples include collagen, which is used in wound healing and tissue engineering, and chitosan derived from shellfish, which has antimicrobial properties. Silk is another natural biomaterial used for sutures and scaffolds. These materials are often favored for applications where integration with the body is critical, but they may require processing to ensure safety and consistency. Biomaterials have a wide range of applications in medicine. They are used in everything from joint replacements and dental implants to heart valves and wound dressings. Tissue engineering, which involves creating artificial organs and tissues, relies heavily on biomaterials. Drug delivery systems, which control the release of medications, also use specialized biomaterials. The versatility of these materials means they can be tailored for almost any medical need. One of the most common uses of biomaterials is in orthopedic implants, such as artificial hips and knees. These devices are typically made from metals, ceramics, or polymers, and are designed to restore mobility and relieve pain. The materials must be strong enough to withstand the forces of movement while being biocompatible to avoid rejection. Advances in biomaterials have made joint replacements safer, longer-lasting, and more effective. Biomaterials play a crucial role in dentistry. Dental implants, crowns, and bridges are often made from titanium, ceramics, or composite polymers. These materials are chosen for their strength, durability, and ability to integrate with bone and gum tissue. Biomaterials have improved the success rate of dental procedures, making them more comfortable and long-lasting for patients. Biomaterials are essential in the development of cardiovascular devices such as heart valves, stents, and vascular grafts. These devices must be able to withstand the constant movement and pressure of blood flow while remaining biocompatible. Materials like polymers and metals are engineered to prevent blood clotting and minimize immune reactions. The use of biomaterials in cardiovascular medicine has saved countless lives and continues to evolve. Biomaterials are widely used in wound healing, from simple bandages to advanced dressings that promote tissue regeneration. Materials like hydrogels, collagen, and chitosan provide a moist environment that supports healing and protects against infection. Some dressings are even designed to release medications or growth factors directly to the wound site. These innovations have greatly improved recovery times and outcomes for patients with acute or chronic wounds. Biomaterials are at the heart of modern drug delivery systems. These systems use specially designed polymers and nanoparticles to control the release of medications over time. This targeted approach can improve the effectiveness of treatments and reduce side effects. For example, biodegradable implants can release chemotherapy drugs directly at a tumor site, minimizing harm to healthy tissues. The development of smart biomaterials is opening new possibilities in personalized medicine. Tissue engineering is a cutting-edge field that relies heavily on biomaterials. Scientists use scaffolds made from polymers, ceramics, or natural materials to support the growth of new tissues and organs. These scaffolds provide a structure for cells to attach, grow, and form functional tissue. Advances in 3D printing and biomaterial design are making it possible to create custom implants and even artificial organs, offering hope for patients with severe injuries or organ failure. Biodegradable biomaterials are designed to break down safely in the body after fulfilling their purpose. These materials are especially useful for temporary implants, sutures, and drug delivery systems. Polymers like polylactic acid and polyglycolic acid are commonly used because they degrade into harmless byproducts. The use of biodegradable materials reduces the need for additional surgeries to remove implants, making treatments less invasive and more convenient for patients. Smart biomaterials are an exciting area of research. These materials can respond to changes in their environment, such as temperature, pH, or the presence of specific molecules. For example, a smart hydrogel might release medication only when inflammation is detected. This responsiveness allows for more precise and effective treatments. As research progresses, smart biomaterials could revolutionize how we approach disease management and therapy. Surface properties of biomaterials play a critical role in their performance. Scientists often modify the surface of implants to improve biocompatibility, reduce infection risk, or encourage tissue integration. Techniques like coating with bioactive molecules or creating micropatterned surfaces can enhance cell attachment and healing. Surface modifications are a key area of innovation, helping to make biomaterials safer and more effective. Despite their many benefits, biomaterials face several challenges. Achieving perfect biocompatibility is difficult, and some materials may still cause immune reactions or inflammation. Long-term durability and mechanical performance are also concerns, especially for implants that must last for decades. Researchers are constantly working to overcome these challenges by developing new materials and testing them in rigorous clinical trials. Before a biomaterial can be used in patients, it must undergo extensive testing to ensure safety and effectiveness. This includes laboratory studies, animal testing, and clinical trials in humans. Regulatory agencies set strict standards for biocompatibility, mechanical strength, and long-term performance. Only materials that meet these standards are approved for medical use. This rigorous process helps protect patients and ensures high-quality care. Future of biomaterials is bright, with new trends emerging every year. Researchers are exploring nanotechnology, 3D printing, and bioactive materials to create smarter, more effective solutions. Personalized medicine is also driving innovation, as materials can be tailored to individual patients' needs. As technology advances, we can expect biomaterials to play an even greater role in improving health and quality of life. Nanotechnology is revolutionizing the field of biomaterials. By manipulating materials at the nanoscale, scientists can create surfaces and structures that interact more effectively with cells and tissues. Nanomaterials can be used for targeted drug delivery, improved imaging, and enhanced tissue regeneration. The unique properties of nanomaterials open up new possibilities for diagnosis and treatment, making them a hot topic in biomaterials research. 3D printing is enabling the creation of custom biomaterials and implants tailored to individual patients. Using digital scans, doctors can design implants that perfectly fit a patient's anatomy. This technology also allows for rapid prototyping and testing of new materials. 3D printing is being used to create everything from dental crowns to complex tissue scaffolds, making personalized medicine more accessible than ever before. Bioactive materials are designed to interact with biological systems in a beneficial way. For example, some materials can stimulate bone growth or promote healing by releasing growth factors. Bioactive glasses and ceramics are used in bone grafts and dental applications to encourage tissue regeneration. The development of bioactive materials is helping to create smarter, more effective medical devices. Personalized medicine is transforming the way biomaterials are used. By analyzing a patient's genetics, doctors can select or design materials that are most likely to be accepted by the body. This approach reduces the risk of rejection and improves treatment outcomes. Advances in biomaterials science are making it possible to create truly personalized implants, prosthetics, and drug delivery systems. As with any medical technology, the use of biomaterials raises important ethical questions. Issues such as patient consent, long-term safety, and access to advanced treatments must be carefully considered. Researchers and healthcare providers work together to ensure that biomaterials are used responsibly and that patients are fully informed about their options. Ethical guidelines help protect patients and maintain public trust in new technology. Production and disposal of biomaterials can have environmental impacts. Researchers are developing greener manufacturing processes and biodegradable materials to reduce waste and pollution. Using renewable resources and recycling medical devices are also important strategies. As the field grows, balancing medical innovation with environmental responsibility will be increasingly important. Access to advanced biomaterials varies around the world. In some regions, high costs and limited infrastructure make it difficult for patients to benefit from the latest technologies. Efforts are underway to develop affordable biomaterials and expand access to life-saving treatments. International collaboration and investment in healthcare infrastructure are key to ensuring that everyone can benefit from advances in biomaterials. As biomaterials become more complex, education and training for healthcare professionals are essential. Doctors, nurses, and technicians must understand how to select, use, and care for biomaterial-based devices. Universities and medical schools are expanding their curricula to include biomaterials science, ensuring the next generation of professionals is well prepared for the future of medicine. Development of biomaterials is a highly interdisciplinary effort. Scientists, engineers, doctors, and manufacturers all work together to create safe and effective materials. Collaboration between different fields leads to innovative solutions and faster progress. By combining expertise in biology, chemistry, physics, and engineering, the biomaterials field continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in medicine. Behind every biomaterial innovation are real people whose lives have been changed. From athletes returning to sports after joint replacements to children receiving life-saving heart valves, patient stories highlight the impact of biomaterials. These stories inspire researchers and remind us of the human side of medical technology. As biomaterials continue to evolve, more patients will benefit from improved treatments and better quality of life. Getting a new biomaterial approved for medical use is a complex process. Regulatory agencies like the FDA set strict guidelines to ensure safety and effectiveness. Developers must provide extensive data from laboratory and clinical studies. The approval process can take years, but it is essential for protecting patients and maintaining high standards in healthcare. Understanding regulatory pathways helps innovators navigate the journey from lab to clinic. Once a biomaterial is approved, it must be manufactured and distributed to hospitals and clinics. Commercialization involves scaling up production, ensuring quality control, and marketing the product to healthcare providers. Companies also provide training and support to ensure proper use. Successful commercialization brings innovative treatments to patients and drives further investment in biomaterials research. Research in biomaterials is ongoing and dynamic. Scientists are constantly exploring new materials, testing novel applications, and seeking to solve existing challenges. Collaboration between universities, hospitals, and industry accelerates progress. As our understanding of biology and materials science deepens, the potential for new breakthroughs in biomaterials continues to grow. Artificial intelligence, AI, is playing an increasing role in biomaterials research. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to identify promising materials and predict their behavior in the body. Machine learning algorithms help optimize material properties and design new biomaterials faster than ever before. The integration of AI is accelerating innovation and opening new frontiers in personalized medicine. Biomaterials are not just for treatment, they also play a role in diagnostics. Biosensors made from specialized materials can detect diseases, monitor health conditions, and provide real-time feedback. These devices are becoming more sensitive and accurate, enabling earlier detection and better disease management. The use of biomaterials in diagnostics is expanding the possibilities for preventive healthcare. Biomaterials are also making a difference in veterinary medicine. Implants, wound dressings, and drug delivery systems designed for animals help improve the health and well-being of pets and livestock. Advances in biomaterials are enabling veterinarians to offer treatments that were once only available to humans, expanding the impact of this technology across species. Biomaterials are widely used in cosmetic and reconstructive surgery. Materials like silicone, collagen, and advanced polymers are used for breast implants, facial reconstruction, and skin grafts. These materials must be safe, durable, and able to mimic the properties of natural tissues. Advances in biomaterials are helping patients recover from injuries, birth defects, and surgeries with better outcomes and improved appearance. Biointegration refers to the process by which a biomaterial becomes integrated with the surrounding tissue. This is essential for the long-term success of implants and prosthetics. Factors like surface texture, material composition, and biological signals all influence biointegration. Achieving strong and stable integration reduces the risk of implant failure and improves patient outcomes. When a biomaterial is implanted in the body, the immune system may recognize it as foreign and mount a response. Managing the immune response is a major challenge in biomaterials science. Researchers use coatings, surface modifications, and drug delivery to minimize inflammation and rejection. Understanding and controlling the immune response is key to developing safer and more effective biomaterials. Longevity and durability of biomaterials are critical for their success in medical applications. Implants and devices must withstand years of use without breaking down or causing harm. Researchers test materials under various conditions to ensure they remain safe and effective over time. Advances in material science are leading to longer-lasting and more reliable biomaterials for patients. Modern biomaterials are designed with the patient in mind. This means considering factors like comfort, aesthetics, and ease of use. Patient-centered design leads to better acceptance and satisfaction with medical devices. By listening to patient feedback and involving them in the design process, manufacturers can create products that truly meet the needs of those they serve. Summary: biomaterials are transforming medicine by providing innovative solutions for a wide range of health challenges. From implants and drug delivery systems to tissue engineering and diagnostics, these materials are improving lives every day. As research continues and technology advances, the possibilities for biomaterials are virtually limitless. The future holds exciting opportunities for new treatments, better patient outcomes, and a healthier world.